the hell? I've never been to a Nike outlet like this before. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Still out in Orlando, Florida. We are at, I think this is Nike Outlet in Vineland. Let's go see what they got, man. Nike Outlet Vineland, let's go. The crowd here definitely reminds me of Nike Outlet out in Orange as well. Wow, wow. All right, let's go find some steals, man. What the hell? I've never been to a Nike outlet like this before. So I don't see a back wall here. I do not see a back wall, just a bunch of aisles and more aisles. Come all along the back right here. And it's just more aisles at the end. Taking y'all all along the back row. There is no clearance section. I've never been to Nike outlet with no clearance section. This is insane. Parking's insane, and then this is even more insane. Holy cow. And it's so hot and humid. I see all kinds of people standing in front of the AC over there. That's hilarious. Even the workers. Is this where they get rid of their one-offs? Is that it? Is that it right here? I don't really even see any heat, to be really honest, but holy cow. This is, I need to go talk to someone. This is insane. Holy cow. All right, this is as packed as any outlet gets. But yeah, I did contact my Orlando consultant. I hit up Ballinonabudget. I was like, what? This place doesn't have a back wall? What the heck? But yeah, they do got these bad boys here. Billie Eilish, Air Force One highs. $1.50 for these bad boys. Do get full box. Get all that extra wrapping and stuff. And then you get the homie leaning. Then you get that homie leaning on the left. Or is that a homegirl? I don't know. Then you do have the Billie Eilish numero dos right here. These are actually pretty dope. Look at this. This is actually pretty dope. You can see like the quilted pattern on it. I'm kind of a fan of this. $1.40. Do I want to pay $1.40 for it? That's the real question. Maybe if it was on the back wall, but they ain't got no goddamn back wall here. What the hell's going on? Not bad. And then do got these. These are going for 30% off right here. So they do have certain clearance items. You get 30% off. All the smaller sizes of these are selling out. They only have 12s and 13s here. That's it, dude. Then do have the staple. This is the staple for Orlando, apparently undefeated Air Force Ones. Plenty of sizes here. Third out of the trio. Got them utilities that nobody's buying. Then the ambush Air Force Ones. I'm telling you, everybody's standing in front of the AC right there. He was doing that just a second ago. It's hot. I think their AC's busted, so they're using that. Okay. All right, no back wall. Let's check out every sneaker here. Let's go. ACG Mocha 3.5s. Infinity Tour Next Percent. Some of the super high-end golf sneakers. Jordan 1 Low. These are golf. And these got that tumbled leather on them. All right, I said every shoe. All right, we're not gonna do every shoe because we got some generic stuff right here. Y'all don't need to see those. Metcon 8s. Another one of these. Last one here. Free Metcon 4s. Got the gray one and the black one. Jordan Hydro 6 in a colorway I have never seen before. And these don't look anything like the Jordan 6s. I don't know why they call these the Jordan Hydro 6s. They have infrared Hydro 6s or Hydro 6 infrareds, and they actually look like they're, I don't know what that's going on. But $45 for these. Okay. SB Ice Shots going for 30% off. SB Alley-Oops, another one of those. Blue and black. Pegasus Trail 3s. Got some 4s right here. Every aisle just super packed, trying to figure out which order to go by. Look at the front right there, just so many people. Air Force One Quick Strikes, Air Force One highs, some lows, some ballistic nylon, I don't know, some mesh material. Do got the high all black next to the off-white Air Force Ones. Do got some Vapor Max 2021 Flyknits. We've seen this cheaper at the retail shop. All black, black gum. Got some olive and construction color. Another one of these synthetic nylons. Isn't nylon always synthetic? Why would they call it synthetic? I don't know. But yeah, I got the wheat colorway right here. Air Force 2017s. Another one of those. Third one right here. The penultimate colorway right here. Got some gray ones right there. All right, so I don't want to get all nerdy and technical, but usually it throws out cold air right there, and then it throws out heat. But usually you throw that out of vents. There's no vent, so yeah, it throws out cold air right there, and then it throws out hot air, and then it makes it all hot. I don't know. We do got the LeBron 2s right here. Another one of those. First and only times I've ever seen the FAMU colorway. This has that extra nice suede on the front. Yeah, this is the first time I've ever seen them on sale. Get full box and everything. Pretty fire. Don't have the bigger sizes though, but not bad. They're trying to do some restocks. This is pandemonium here. They're moving all that back there as well. That's the kid stuff. All right, parking outside's been crazy. The crowds in here even crazier. And then no clearance section, the craziest thing I've ever seen. All right, let's go check out the apparel section. Look, they're still making their way around. Let's go look at the apparel section, see if they got any steals. USA shorts, soccer shorts on sale, 30% off of 27 bucks. T-shirt not on sale, 25 for those, normally 35. And then jersey, really not for sale, man. These are the nice ones. 170 down to 100 bucks. This has like way better texture and stuff than the one I have, and even that material is different. It's not just regular screen printed on. That's fire. I just need it on sale because I'm cheap. Do got some clearance apparel. Do got a couple racks, maybe 2 or 3. Do got some fleece shorts right here, which are pretty fire. 25 bucks. Normally 65. Just color not really working for me. Of course, there are XLs as well. Is this golf? I don't know. Some khakis or something. These are down to $81. Dang, kind of pricey. Definitely not cheap. Damn. But that's the normal price. So it goes from expensive to less expensive. But still hella expensive in my eyes. Do you got, these are like triple XL. Oh, the tags come off. Is that Brandy? They're playing Brandy here. Do you got Sharks basketball? Well, I'm assuming that's one of the G League teams. $22. $22 for the orange colorway right here. You got a Gore-Tex jacket, tech pack. Couldn't find the tag. Oh, there it is. There it is. Dang, normally 500 down to 2 bills, and then you get another 30% off. Wow. So what? Was that 120, 123 or something? Normally 500, 123. Nike Polo. $110. God, good lord. Quadruple XL, 45 bucks. All right, man. Yeah, this is definitely an interesting outlet. Not really finding too much. Just interesting where this format. I've never seen this format before. I doubt any of y'all have seen this format. Yeah, some of the stuff in the state of Florida just kind of weird. Just weird. Maybe this is a temporary thing. I don't know. I'm gonna have to talk to Frank about this. Is this? Do you guys live in Florida? Have you guys seen this? Is this a normal thing? Are they just doing this just because you know, they're just busy as hell right now? I don't know. Line is just insane long, even though the deals are extra mediocre today. I think this is a tourist trap. I think this is similar to Nike Outlet City out in LA, just a tourist trap. Not great deals, but still packed as hell, man. All right, guys, that was interesting. That was interesting. You know, started off like hella rough. They have a lot of collabs. They have those Billie Eilish, the lows, the Air Force One lows. Those are pretty freaking fire. I thought about them, but yeah, I'd have to take them to LA and stuff, and I don't even have any room. I don't even have any luggage. I just have a backpack because I really didn't feel like paying extra for stuff. So yeah, just not really the right time. So yeah, so I'm gonna hit up a few more outlets. I'm gonna hit up a couple malls out here too. So y'all should hopefully get some info regarding the Jordan 1 release that just happened this past weekend. For you guys, for me, that's tomorrow. So I'm gonna hit up some malls tomorrow. I'll try to release that one before, so it is what it is. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. Very up and down, just like everywhere else. That's kind of how the Nike Outlet game works. It is what it is. But I'm like way over there. Yeah. So but yeah, that's kind of how it works. you know, it is what it is. But yeah, make sure you guys help a boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to this channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. I'm trying to get a ton of videos here. Maybe I have enough to double up on certain days. I don't know. But yeah, definitely got plenty coming. If you guys are brand new to the channel, make sure you guys go ahead and press that subscribe button. I do drop tons of videos. Give yourself 45 minutes to look for parking. Man, I think I went around the entire place like 2 or 3 times. Pretty crazy, similar to Nike Outlet out in Orange, right outside of Nike Outlet Vineland. Nice little pond right there. And then just a sign, hey, don't feed the alligators, fool. Alligators and snakes, man. What the hell? That's Florida. Y'all crazy. If you guys are new to the channel, haven't seen too many of my videos, got plenty right here. I think I have like 700 Nike outlet videos. I got 1,500 total. Got plenty. So yeah, check out some of the videos, and yeah, see you guys next one. Peace.